Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Pixma G650 series. What I want to do is to show you how to print out network configuration page. Select setup menu, it will show you setup mode. Then scroll to the side, select device settings, select OK. Print settings, scroll down, select LAN settings, select OK. It will show you Wi-Fi. Scroll again, wireless direct. Scroll again, select print LAN details, select OK. So it's going to print network configuration page. This page contains the password for the printer if you want to copy document and it requires for you to enter printer password. Then you need to do this by printing out network configuration page. This is network configuration page, and it will show you there is no problem with the printer, and also it will show you default password. You find it on network configuration page once you print it out. So this is network configuration page. The menu, select menu, then scroll to the side, device setting, then select OK. Scroll again to LAN settings, select OK to LAN settings. It will show you Wi-Fi, wireless direct. Then you select print LAN details that will contain network configuration information. Thank you very much indeed. Please like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.